Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the English class. How's everybody's holiday? Did anyone taking any leaves? No? Everyone's present? Awesome. Now, let's start with a little review from the last time. Last time we mentioned a lot of vocabulary that related to the weather, so let's talk about it. Okay, so let's start from sun. And when you look at a really big sun, what will you describe? It's sunny. Awesome. And then if it's sunny, you will feel hot. Exactly. And then what else do we have? Cloud. And then if there's a lot of cloud, you wouldn't be able to see the sun. That means the weather is cloudy. Awesome. Okay, so when the weather is cloudy, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's cool, I know, but it's definitely wouldn't be hot. So if you want to say the weather will be cool, that's fine. But yeah, okay, next one. Yes, wind. Exactly. Wind, and then it will be windy. And then if it is windy, you will feel, yeah, it can be cool because the wind is blowing through your face. Yeah, okay, awesome. And then what else do we have? Rain. Yeah, and if it's rain, you will see rainy. And if it's rainy, you will feel, it's not necessarily means that you will feel cold, but it will definitely feel humid. Okay, repeat after me. Humid. Humid. Yes, perfect. Okay, so we got sun, cloud, snow, rain. This is something that will happen in Taiwan. There's another thing. Yes, snow. I know a lot of people that really envy the weather, like in Japan or in like America. They get a lot of snow when it's winter. So if it's a lot of snow, you will say it's snowy. Right? And if it's snowy, you will say it's cold. Yes, exactly. So these are the weather that we talked about from last time. And then we also mentioned that the different weather also associated with different months. Yes, we got 12 months, right? Oops. So we got 12 different months. And I believe everyone has memorized, yeah, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, yes, August, September, October, November, and December. Awesome. But associated with the month, there's another thing that comes with the month. That's the seasons. Yes, we got 4 seasons. Now, I need you to tell me, like, from which month to which month is the season. First, tell me the season. What are they? We got spring, summer, and then fall. Yes, I know. Someone also said autumn, and then we also got winter. Okay, so when spring, it's usually from March to May, right? And when summer is from July, it's not July, June to August. And then fall and autumn usually falls in September to November. And then the coldest month usually is on December to the following year of the February, right? Okay. So these are everything that we mentioned from last time. Okay, let's move it on to the sentence structure. Let's read it again. Sun, sunny, hot. Cloud, cloudy. Cool, wind, windy, cool. Rain, rainy, humid. Snow, snowy, cool. And then from March to May, it's spring, February, it's winter. Yes. Perfect. You guys are marvelous. Now, let's move on to the sentence structure. Whenever you want to ask somebody about the weather today, we got two kinds of asking. First, start with how. So, how is the weather? Maybe let's say today. Right? How is the weather today? And you'll answering with it's. Yeah, it's. Let's say today's weather is sunny and hot. Yes. Awesome. So when we ask how's the weather today, it refers to like the current place and ask about the current time. But sometimes you want to like travel abroad, you want to know how's the weather in a different country in a different time. So you can also say how's is the weather in yeah, this one is the time, this one is the country. Yeah, in let's say in June, in maybe the US, right? So you will put a different time and different country, or maybe we can change it to like sometime cold, maybe January. Okay, so in January we'll say the weather is snowy and cold. Awesome. Okay, so everyone, now let's do the activity in your textbook. Let's see. In your textbook, you will refer to the picture. There's a picture telling you how's the weather, and then based on that picture, please write down the correct answer. All right? Let me know if you have any problem, okay? Okay, perfect. Now, I saw there is another sentence structure. Starting with what? Awesome. Okay, so if you got the question starting with what? What is the weather? Yes, here should be like. What is the weather like today? So if the sentence starts with what? If the sentence starts with what? You will add like in the between. So what is the weather like today? Also, in the second sentence, you will say, what is the weather like in January in the US? Yeah, so whenever you start the sentence with what, it's always following with like. Okay? So, because what's usually associated with none, and none is something you can see, you can feel, it's a physical thing, so usually we'll say what like. Right? So like refers to you, like you have to answer with an adjective, right? What does it feel like? What does it taste like? What does it, yeah, similar like. And then it's how related to your feelings, usually just associated with the adjective. So you will say, how is the weather today? But what is the weather like today? Okay? So it is very important for you guys to remember the different sentence structure. Okay? Any problem? Am I making myself clear?